Mike Hughes here. I'm in Croatia, and I'm looking at the islands and diving out here. And Janet, you want to tell us a little bit about the diving here?
Yes, hello, my name is Janet. I'm from Hvar Island, and we are the Hvar Diving Center in Hvar town.
Okay.
Diving in Croatia is very stunning since the visibility is about 80 feet all the time. It doesn't matter if it's a storm or rain ahead, it is 80 feet. The temperature of the water is about 75 Fahrenheit average, but summertime it goes up to 80, 85 Fahrenheit.
Wow, it's almost tropical then.
Wouldn't say, but we are
Close
using...
enough.
Yes, close
now,
enough.
where is that? Can you see the dive center in this picture here?
No, you can't.
Okay.
Yet,
but
it's on the west.
It's going to be somewhere out that way.
Yes.
But then you dive all these islands out here?
Yes, these islands are called Pakleni Islands, which
Okay.
is a protected area.
Okay.
That's why we have so
A
much
marine
nice,
sanctuary?
Yes, nice, beautiful fish down there.
Now
which
this
I
is some
can
of
show you.
the life you see there, huh? You got seahorses?
Yes, you can see horse, you can see some rays, you can see a lot of species of sea stars, nudibranch, lobsters, and a lot of octopus and cuttlefish.
Okay.
And the bigger fish here, as big as tuna fish, but you won't see sharks around here.
Well, that's cool. That makes it easy and safe for a lot of people.
That's true.
And then on shore you have a lot of seafood too because of all this, but not from the marine area.
No. Yes, Croatia is famous about seafood. The fishing is restricted still in Croatia, so only the licensed fishermen can catch the fish. But if you go to Croatia, two things you need to do, seafood and wine. Hvar Island has its own local wine, and this is really amazing. You should try that one.
Okay, and then if they wanted more information about how to get here to dive, what.com would they look at?
They are looking at www.hvardiving.com.
Okay, is that written somewhere so they can see it in print? It's probably on the, it's at the very bottom. And I'm going to come down here just so you can see it. Hvar Diving, in case you didn't catch the accent, or I did catch the accent. And you can see some of the seafood here and a better view of Hvar. And I think that wraps it up. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.